Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use modules in as we know very well, general, a module is means that set of function or a set of file. Or it's a collection of some. Okay, now module is a maybe it has some functions inside. Otherwise, we can say it like this: a module is a one library. So for the in that library there are many functions are available. So whenever we need some function, whenever we need some operation from that library, just we'll call the library and we'll use it for our purpose. This is the main aim of that model. Okay. So the model in this one in your model we have many functions, many methods, many operations. Okay. So if you want the complete module and you can call into the another part, you want the specific function from that particular model, you can call it. There are many flexibilities there in that when you're going to use a model in the Python. Now we will see how we are going to use the model in Python. Now a model to be considered as a code library. Okay, so it has some code library. So whenever we want that library, we can call the library, we can use it for our purpose. A file has set of functions, then the same file will be included in the another file. How we will see. How we are going to use that another file into our the first file into the second file, or how we are going to call the previous library into the current library. We need a one special keyword, that is the import. The import keyword is used in Python to import the module from the another module to the current module. The import keyword is used to call one module into another module. How we will see some more examples here, and this is one example. In this example, see here, now we are going to write the two programs. So one sample program. Here we are going to write the two program. The first program is first mod. This is the name of the file of the first. This is the first file. First fir mod.py. So the file extension should be py. Okay, that is a Python. Now in that file, just be written as only the two lines. That is the two lines. These are one small functions. Here we written only one small functions. Def welcome. Now just print the Python. Now this is a model is saved, finished. Now we are going to write another file, then another file with the file name modcall.py. So in that mod call, what we are going to do? In this second file, we are going to call this first file into in this file. How? With the help of the keyword import keyword. This import keyword we are going to use to call the first file into this second. So import, we need to specify the file name of the first file. See, the both should be same, fir mod and fir mod. So what file name we specified in the previous file, the same name we should use it here for the import. That so the whatever the functions are, whatever the methods are available, what are the operations are available in the first file, all will be transferred here. Okay, so now this is the first step. Now come to the second step. What is the second line in this the second file? So fir mod, we know very well, this is the name of the first file. Now we are going to access some functions from that first file. So dot welcome. What is the welcome? The welcome is available where in the first file. So that this welcome is a function in the first file. Now we are going to call this fir with this first name file dot welcome. Automatically what will happen, your control is transfer here and you will get the answer welcome to. Okay, great. So that we need to write the two programs. The first file is the complete your operation, and well just we are going to call the our second. So now I will do it in the Python. Now I will show this example, one sample program. Now I will open the one Python. This is the Python. Open the Python as a new file. Now I am going to create. I am going to write the code. So what the code? Just I am writing the code. Now I am writing the code. What code I am going to write? Now def, open your file for def, same, shall we use the same file, welcome colon. Now this is the and print welcome to Python module sample program. Okay, now this is the one sample completed. Okay, close it and close. Now, so this is the first file. I am going to save this file. Just go to the your drive. Just I am going save the file. This is the, so for an example, first mod. Just I am, the file is saved as a py file. That's a Python file. The file is saved. Okay. Now I am going to open the another one more file. This is the second. I am going to call this file into this file. Okay. Now, so import. What is the first name? First mod. Okay. Now fir mod dot welcome. So the welcome is available first mod, and now just save the file save again the second. Now I am going to give the this file is second mod. Okay, file save. Now just I am going to run the second mod. Now what will happen, whatever content is available in the welcome method, just run the program. See, you will get the answer like welcome to Python model example. Where it is coming, it is coming from here the where from the first file. So now, so what is we need to understand here, and just one import method we are using for to run the program. Okay, so import method using to call the any other Python file into the one simple program. I'll go back to our slide. Now come to the second example. What is the second example? The second example, now in this example, just we are using that one parameter. So here I am using that, what is the file name? This is a mod argument. This is the one parameter we using in this function. Now we are going to call this import mod argument. Now I am passing one parameter. What will happen? So once the value will transferred here, then the related answer will be displayed. The second example for the model. Now come to the third example. The third example is very simple. So now in this first file, we completed the operations. See, in this file, just we completed the only that all the operations we are done in that first file. Now this file we are going to call in the second file. So see, import arth, this is the file name we are called here. Now in this, now just we are passing only the value. So arth.add. So what is this one? Arth is the file name. In that file name, this add method is there. Add 4 comma. So automatically the 4 value and 5 value will be transferred to the particular location, the previous file. So you will corresponding, you will get that. So what you understand? So you are keeping all the operations into the separate file. Now just we are passing the value, that's all. So what is it? This is the minimizing the work. You don't want to call every time. Just you keep all the functions, all the operations in the separate file, and you can call it the corresponding file into the your working file. Okay, so this is the one example. Now in this example I'm going to talk about how to use the for loop and some more operations in the list, right? So now, so one list is created, the list items created in the separate file, list only created in the separate file. Now for this list we are going to use the another file, right? Some more operations we are going to do. How to do this work, right? So now this is the one separate file. See that flowers, jasmine dot comma rose dot lotus and lily is created with the list is created with the list items. So in this second file we are going to call what? Now that the same file will be called here, we are with the use of that for loop we are printing that list items and we are doing some more operations where the list. Now how to do this program, just let me explain the Python program. Now you will get more clear. Okay, just I'll open that file. So I will do this one. So the first file I'm going to create, for an example, what is that, country, country country equal to, just I'm creating the country name, for an example USA, okay, and Oman, UAE. Okay, just I created that list. Now the list is ready. Now list is ready. Just save the file. The file is saved. Go to the second file. Now I am going to call the list into the second file. For that, what we need to do? We need to first we need to import the file. What is the file name I gave? The file name I gave for mod list. Okay. Now in that mod list, for I in what, mod list dot country, right? So what is this one? So what now we are going to print the complete list item in from this file, right? Just colon print of I. So what will happen? Now it will print. So shall we run this program? Just save. Going to run the program. You will get the answer, the complete. So how it is coming? That list items is retrieved from the first file. Now more than this one, I'm going to add some more operations here. So now what I'm going to add one more list item into the, I'm going to append, I'm going to add at the end of the list item. For that, what we need to do? So mod list dot country dot append, open parenthesis, I'm going to add one more. I'm adding Australia. Just I'm added one list item into the in the end. Just print list item, print mod list dot country, open this, we'll see the answer. What the answer is coming? Just save the run the program. See, so Australia now added at the end of the list. Okay, now so what they think, one list item only created in the here in the separate file. So now in the second file we are doing all the things. So there are two files. So the one module contained the all the operations. Now the second module we are going to call one by one, and this is a one simple example. Now I will move to the another example. Another example, what in this operation, in this example we are going to do how to access the only the particular operation from the model. I don't want the entire. When you go for the previous, for from this free, what will happen? Now we called the complete mod list here. So what will happen? Now it will call the whole operations in. Now I don't want call all the thing. I want to call only the particular operations from the my first thing. So for that, what we need to do? So very simple. And for that, what, from mode source. What is this is the name of the your first file. From the mode source, I am going to import only the country. What is this country? There are two. One is here one list is declared, and here one dictionary is declared. Where the previous one. I want only the dictionary. I don't want the where in that list item. So from that we can access. So for that, what you need to understand, we can access only the particular function. We don't want to suppose for imagine there are 500 functions are there. You don't want you need only the fourth function. Just you call only the fourth. So only the specific functions only you can able to call from the. So this is also possible. So let us see that simple example. I will show you. Now I'll open that the same code, right? Just for I'll open the same code for mod list. Here already one list is there. Just now I'm going to create the one another dictionary. For an example, um, ONE colon 1 comma TWO colon 2 comma 3. Now this is the one dictionary we create. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to access only the numbers. I don't want to access the country. Okay, how it is possible? Just save it, go back to here. Here what we are going to do, here I'm just you know all the things here. From here what we need to do, from mod list. Now this is the name of the first file. Import what number, that's it. Understand? From model, what is the model list? The model list is the name of the module, and import, we are going to import only the numbers, not the others. So number. Now just I'm going to that for an example, uh, for I in what is that number, okay, colon print of I. What will happen? Just see, it will print only 1 2 3. What is 1 2 3? And 1 2 3 is the only the key. So always in your dictionary is it's a pair key and value. Now I want to print only the values. Okay, how it is possible? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Print, what is that? I dot values. Print it. See the answer. Huh? Sorry, it is number dot value. No, number dot value. Run the program, you that only the value. So 1 till 1 2 3 will come. Now why it is coming again and again? Because of the we are enter the loop, we keep it the separate. Now just print it, so you will get only the value. So 1 2 3, because you want only the key, just use the print number dot keys, so it will print only the key values from the list key, right? So like that, suppose you want only the particular, print number dot what number dot, you want only the one, just you want to print only that particulars. I want only the particular key value. So how it is? Just run it. This is ordinary normal regular process. So it will print only the one. So it will print only the one. So in this first example, it will print the complete the keys value. Now we are using only values only printing. We are only keys only printing. Here we are printing the particular key value. So this is the way you can access the model. So module in the sense, the separate file you can keep for your content, all the functions whenever you want on the. Okay, thank you.